Heard what you said. You said you want the fancy pantsy of the fanciest, okay, when it comes to the Easter baskets for your grandbabies, for your babies, okay, for your babies, okay. Listen, I got you, okay, sister girl. We in a place to be, Dollar Tree. Dina is the MC on the mic, let me just say, okay, delight. All right, child, get into it and let's do it. Now, first up, Dollar Tree has these chicks baskets, Easter baskets, $1.25. Can we say styling and definitely profiling? Really, really cute. You see the handle, okay? Dollar Tree didn't come to play with you guys. This is $1.25. Honey, let's get into it and see the rest, how they do it, okay? Let's go. Okay, so you said you was looking for something like lip gloss or something called Juicy Cakes, okay? And you may be like, Dina, I didn't even know that it was a such thing called Juicy Cakes. Honey, don't worry. You know I got you, okay? They do have something called Juicy Cakes at Dollar Tree, okay? And a place to be. Check them out. Dina is on a mic like the MC. Honey, get into it and do it. Hey, honey, have you seen this? This is the Juicy Cakes, okay, from LA Colors. This is $1.25. Cake and Kisses. Time to Shimmer. Okay, but honey, they don't only have one. They have a few, and we gonna go through this 1, 2, 3, because I am in a place to be. Let's check them out. Okay, so they also have the Tense Lips Pink, okay, lip balm from LA Colors. This is $1.25. They also have this right here. This is the lip gloss, honey, and this one is called Honey Cakes. All right, but honey, wait, hold on, child. I ain't finished. I'm just getting started. They also have the Pudding Pie, okay, duo set. Really, really cool. This is the lip liner with the lip gloss, Jelly Bobs, LA Colors. Honey, get into it. They also have this one, Oh Crumbs duo set, honey, with the lip liner, okay? They ain't playing. They also have this one, I Am Cakey duo set with the lip liner. Okay, honey, get into it. And then they also have this one, honey, I'm on my tippy toes. Hello Sweet, okay, with the lip liner. Honey, styling and definitely profiling. Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be, okay? Really, really cool. Really nice. So if you see this one, this is going to tint your lips pink. Really nice. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Let's say it again, honey. Your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Let me tell you something. I don't care where you are or what you have going on within yourself, okay? It can always be worse, all right? So I'm going to need you to start showing up for yourself. I don't care what you have going on. Now, and I don't say that to disregard whatever it is that you have going on within yourself, but I say that because, honey, you're going to have to let go of the excuses, okay? You're going to have to stop making excuses on why you are not showing up for yourself. You're going to have start looking at your life and say, you know what, I deserve this. I was created to win, therefore I am going to show up, and I don't care who don't like it. Okay, you are going to have to make your signature mark. Let me tell you something. You are a one of a kind, shapely divine. All right, now that we got that message out the way, all right, we are on our way inside the Dollar Tree. Okay, now this Dollar Tree I'm going to right now, this is on 49th Street in West New York. Let's see if they're going to have us move our feet to the beat. Let's see. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, Dollar Tree has these solar stake lights, okay? I absolutely love these, okay? I show these every time I come in, okay? With the butterflies inside. The butterflies are different colors. They have the yellow, the red, the blue, the pink. Absolutely love this, okay? Really, really cool. They also have the solar stake lights with the flowers. These are really, really cool. Alright, so Dollar Tree also have the rainbow glitter palettes over here. These are $1.25. The Easter flying discs, these are so cute, $1.25 as well. They also had a paddle boards, really cute. Who remember these? Okay, rocking your pigtails with the paddle boards. Okay, summertime. And that song, Summertime by Will Smith and Jazzy. Oh my goodness, child, don't bring back the memories, okay? Alright, wonderful memories. They also have the novelties, sunglasses, well, glasses, okay, fancy pantsy, how you doing? These are $1.25. Absolutely love these. Fabric gift bags, anyone, 4 pieces for $1.25. Definitely styling and profiling out in these streets. So Dollar Tree said, listen, we don't only have one type of Easter basket. No. We don't only have 2 types of Easter baskets. No. We have about 6 different Easter baskets. Okay, now I am a person that like options. Okay, I love me some options. Okay, choices. You have to make them choices. Okay, all right, don't just leave it up to chance, child. Okay, now these are bunny. Follow the bunny. He has chocolate. Okay, look at the bunny. You try to tell his bunny, you try to stop this bunny and try to tell his bunny he ain't styling and profiling with the butterflies again. Okay, these are $1.25. They also have the green ones. You guys know green is my thing, like a chicken wing. Happy Easter. Really cool with the giraffe. Absolutely love this. The dino, the octopus. They also have the shark over here. Get into this, okay? Definitely styling and profiling. They also have these Easter baskets over here, okay? Plain Jane. Really cool though. I like them. Okay, they ain't got a lot going on. I like going and making a signature statement. You get what I'm saying? Okay. They also have these baskets over here. Now this is like flower girl material. Okay, really cool. Now they also have the baskets like these. These are really cool. They have different colors. They have the pink, the blue, the green. Really nice. They also have the unicorns. Honey, get into the unicorns. Okay, it's the unicorns for me. Not only one unicorn. No, not 2, but 3 unicorns. Okay, the pink, the purple, and also the white. Honey, get into it and do it right. Okay, honey, isn't they fancy? Now, if you say they ain't fancy, I don't know what you on, okay? Now, Dollar Tree also have these headbands over here. These are $1.25, still deal like Holyfield. Really cool. Honey, they got what you need. Now, let me tell you something. The 2 body washes that they have right now, I've been to, this probably, a few Dollar Trees. This is my 3rd Dollar Tree, okay? The 2 body washes that's still deal like Holyfield is definitely this sugar cookie. Okay, this puts me in the mind of that tinfoil can, the blue one that had all those shortbread sugar cookies. Okay, this sugar cookie right here, limited edition, this smells so good. It smells so good. It's $1.25. They also have the churro body wash, which, oh my goodness, hands down, that smells amazing. That is $1.25 as well. They don't have it at this location yet. They just pretty much has the sugar cookies here. But honey, if you come across this is delightful. I can almost assure you, it smells so good. Now, Dollar Tree has the Sweet Shop, nails, lips, and more Sweetest Cosmetics. They have more at this location when it comes to this as opposed to the other locations I've been to. Okay, they have the nails. Get into the nails, okay, with the ice cream cones and stuff like that. Really cute with the different flavors. Absolutely love this. They also have the ice cream cones over here, lip balm, and this is strawberry frosting. Okay, absolutely love this. My favorite ice cream, by the way, is strawberry. I love strawberry and butter pecan, okay, and vanilla bean. And then they also, and give me Haagen-Dazs, okay, Haagen-Dazs. Let's stick with the Haagen-Dazs. Now, they also have this nail polish over here. You get 2 for $1.25, strawberry and vanilla scented. Now, this is so cool for the little girls. Okay, absolutely love this for them. The cookies and cream lip balm as well. They also have the little Tootsie looking roll, lip duo. This is whipped frosting, sugar sprinkles, really, really cute as well. They also have the this is cute, kissable lip project, okay, cookies and cream, really, really cool. And then they also have some more nail polish, okay. So the 3 scents that they have is the cookies and cream, the strawberry frosted, and what was the third one? Honey, I'm trying to think. What was the third one? Strawberry vanilla, whipped frosting, oh, and cookies and cream, okay. And these down here, these are the lip balms. If you see them like this is pretty much the nail polish, okay. This lip balm, okay, all right, just FYI, because I was thinking, I was like, oh my goodness, this looks so good. Lip balm, honey, that's nail polish, girl. Okay, so Dollar Tree, I see you messing with me, all right? So Dollar Tree has the Glow Up Contour. This was like a big deal, like Holyfield, when they first brought this out. Now, this is a dupe, okay? This is from a dupe. The dupe was from Elf, well, the dupe actually was from Sephora, then Elf copied it, and now Dollar Tree has it, okay? This is the Glow Up Contour, $1.25, medium dark, formulated with, you know, the acid and the vitamin A. They also have this one, Fair Medium. This is $1.25 as well. They also have the Rose Gold. Now, the one I purchased, it definitely, I believe, was the Rose Gold. And then I also purchased a few days ago the Glow Up Highlighter, okay? These are $1.25. Now, the Glow Up Highlighter, the Shimmer and Pearl, I absolutely love it. No, I got the Sparkling Rose. Yeah, the Sparkling Rose. I absolutely love that, okay, because it looks sparkling, okay? Really fancy. Now, Dollar Tree also have this Cooling Lip Serum. This is $1.25. Coconut oil, mint extracts, vitamin E, okay? Then they also have the Hydrate and Lip Serum with jojoba oil, and then the pineapple extract for $1.25. Now, this thing right here, at first I was like, what is this? This is so cool. So this is a textured travel bottle, okay? You can put mouthwash in here. You can put hand lotion in here. Really, really cool. These are definitely fancy, pantsy, mancy. They come in 3 different colors. So they have the yellow, they also have the blue, and then they also have the orange. Can we say steal deal like Holyfield for $1.25? Honey, this is a steal deal. Now, remember Dollar Tree had this water, okay, the lemon and berries Marcella cleansing water. Honey, this, oh, they have 2 left. They have this one and another one in the bag. I definitely purchased this. This was really, really good, okay. Normally, this water is like, it depends, okay, where you get it from, but it can go anywhere from $9 to $12 to $13. Dollar Tree has it here for $1.25, and this is Urban Hydration is from, and it is vegan, okay? So I don't know if that makes sense to somebody else out there, okay? But no bad stuff, it says. And then they also have their story on here: brighten skin, helps detox, hydrate skin, helps plump skin, for $1.25. They had different scents. Like, I have the lemon and berry, and which other one I have? It's the pomegranate, I think, but it was $1.25. Still, they're like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree also have the liquid blush, okay? Every time I see these, I be thinking like, oh, maybe this is for your lips. Dollar Tree, could you put a tube like this for the lips? Okay, this is $1.25. This one is Warm Rose, and then they also have this one, Rosetta. This is like the orange looking color for $1.25 as well. And then they also have the soft pink. The packaging is definitely packaging, okay? Can we say that one time for the one time? They also have I Need Champagne and Perfect Skin. This is the smooth and body polish. Just add water and polish away. $1.25 by Onyx Bath House. Now, if you're a person, you like putting like those fake dots on your face to make it seem like you have freckles, Dollar Tree said, listen, we got the actual pen for you, okay? Creates natural looking freckles. And this one is light brown. So they have light brown, dark brown, and then they also have this makeup correcting gel pen for $1.25. All right, family, so this is definitely a steal deal like nobody business. Honey, I was walking out the door and I said, oh my goodness, are you serious? Okay, Child, check this out. Did you see this? This is the scrub buddies for tough cleaning jobs. But honey, you see how long this thing is? You get 6 for $1.25. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but in my household, it makes perfect sense, okay? $1.25 still there like Holyfield. Okay, you could clean those pots. Take one of these every day out of the week, okay? And then toss it. Honey, this is a steal deal. Dollar Tree is doing the Dollar Tree thing, okay? All right? Honey, like a chicken wing. All right, family, make sure you guys rocking out, believing in yourselves, keep going, keep growing, child. Let me know what was your favorite item, because mine's definitely, oh my goodness, was the lip glosses. All the lip glosses that they had was really, really cool. Also that bottle, you know, the travel size bottle that came in yellow, blue, and orange. Okay, those was really, really cool, fashionable. And what else? Oh my goodness, they have so many different new items. Dollar Tree definitely came a long way. Because I remember I used to be one of those girls who would be like, I don't shop there, honey. Now I'm in there like every other day. So you got to be mindful of what you say sometimes, okay? And with that being said, I love you guys. Keep rocking out, believing in yourselves. Until next time, peace.